Complete the following sentences by writing the correct days on the lines. Today is, did you know the weather? Did you know the day today? Oh, you said Wednesday. That's the correct one.
You read the question before you answer, okay? What is your answer?
Tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? Oh, you answered so quickly. You said Thursday. That's the correct one.
What is today?
I said Wednesday.
Today is?
Wednesday.
And tomorrow is?
Thursday. Sabi ng viewers ko. Ayun na lang. Yesterday was, yesterday was, ano? Wow! Correct, Kai. Yesterday was Tuesday. The day before Tuesday is, what is the day before Tuesday? Monday! It is Monday! Correct, correct, correct. Monday! Okay, nice! This is fun! The day after Thursday is day after Thursday. What is it? Oh, correct. It's Friday. Nice. The day between Friday and Sunday is, what is it? You answered so quickly that I thought it's Saturday, you said. The first day of the week is, what is the first day of the week? First day of the week? First day of the week? First day of the week. First day of the week is first day of the week. First day of the week. Mama! Anong first day of the week?
Sunday.
Sunday? Thank you for saying. Ikat mo yan, okay? What happened? Got it. Okay. The first day of the week is Sunday. Mama, ikat mo yan, ha? Sunday. Correct! You got it right again! Correct! Go, go, go! You can do it! Go, go, go! You can do it! The last day of the week is, what is the last day of the week? Correct! It's Saturday, bro! Nice! The last day of school is, what is it? Oh! You guessed it! It's Friday! Correct! Go! of school is... How did you know it? It was Monday. Correct. 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 Monday. The short vowel o sounds o as in ox. Here are words with beginning the short o sound. Ox, onion, orange, organ, oven, Oscar, orchid, order. Here are words with the middle short o sound. Dog, pot, cup, don, hog, dot, mop, ton, fog, hot, pop, drone, log, cut, hop, son. Nice, right? Draw lines to match that phrase with a short vowel O sound. Hop on a log. Hop on a log. Corn on a cob. A hot pot. Cup on a cup. Dog mop. Nice, nice, nice. Read the words. Write the pot. All the words with a short O sound. Rock. Rock. Ocean. My aunt here. I. floor with a Mop. Spin the top on the ground. Father drinks. Mama, come here. Hindi ko alam. Come here.
Ano yan?
Yan, Mama. Father drinks.
Makita ng telephone.
What? Sabi niya, Father drinks. Yan, Mama. Ano yan?
So, abe?
Father drinks.
Coffee.
But, Mama, look.
Spin the top. Ito yung top, oh, di ba?
Ako yan.
Oh, father drinks. What is that?
Hindi mug, Mama, because, oh, yan, pag nakuha natin, mug na, mug.
Oh. What is this?
This is hard to,
Yun. Ah. Hot. Yan na yung sabi niya, anak, oh. Hot coffee in the morning. Hot. Hot coffee.
thank you. Oh no. Sing this song all together. Try to make actions while you sing. Sing to the tune of Where is Stumpman? I am growing, I am growing, and so are you, and so are you. We can eat together, we can eat together. That is how we grew, and that is how we grew. I am growing, and so are you. We can work together, we learn together. That's how we grow, that's how we grow. God and me in time. Way back, then God put me in my mother's body before I was born. He told me to stay in her body for 9 months. My mother was glad to have me. Then, after 9 months, God awakened me. He told me to come out. I was born in Manila. Mama, come here, come here. Mama, come here. I found something.
Ano yan?
Sabi niya,
Wala naman makita yun.
sabi niya, he told me to come out. I was born in Manila Central Hospital.
Yeah. Ano ginagawa?
It was a cold December day. Dr. Pazon helped my mother give birth. Being an infant was boring. I just slept in my crib. I couldn't not walk. But God promised me I will learn to walk when the time comes. I crawled for some time. I might think God made my feet and legs stronger. I began to walk little by little. I had grown. My body became bigger and longer. My hair grew. I could walk. God was right. I changed in time. Look at me now. Look at me now. Here I am. Jigo. I go to school every day. I am now 7 years old. I am still growing. And God helps me to grow smart, strong, active, and full of life. Choose and bring the correct meaning of the underlined word in the sentence. Almighty God created me, and He is the only who can do it. Oh no, where's my pencil? There! Just wait, my pencil is there. Just wait muna. I got my pencil. I'm coming back here. That was so hard than I thought. No! Oh no, that's close. That's close again. All things, all powerful, all around. All around, all powerful, or all around. What is that? That is all around you that can make things powerful.
What?
Mama, all powerful or all around?
Almighty God created me, and He is the only one who can do it. All powerful.
All
Powerful? Kasi powerful naman si God.
powerful si God at mabit niya. Okay, sabi niya i-ring with a diamond on it. Done? Yan yun. An infant stays in the crib most of the day and night. Baby. Okay. Next. A smile from a baby makes us feel glad. God will protect us from evil as we live and grow.
Protect. What is protect?
Guard. Next.
You forget.
Oh, I
Still
forgot.
have one.
The little girl looked at her pictures in the photo album and she sees that many parts of her body had changed.
Ano yung naka-underline?
Yung change.
Oh.
Become different. Hurry up. Write on the blanks the words refer head to in the sentences. Choose from the list below. A person who moves and works a lot is crawl.
Huh?
Active. A baby sleeps in a crib. A place where a mother goes to give is the
What is your answer?
look, meron hospital dito. Look.
Okay.
Let's keep looking. Then masimula. A baby cannot walk but he can
He can what?
crawl.
Next.
A month.
What is that?
A month is made up of 30 or 31 days.
Good job.
Done.
Okay, next.
The short essay shows how a person changes and grows in God's right time.
Ayusin mo. Magupo ka
Check
naman.
your answer now.
Ganyan.
Check your answer to the questions below and explain your answer. Do we think you will be here in this world without God? Yan. Correct?
Okay. Next.
Oh, I just skipped.
How about here? Can you?
No need na yan?
No. This one.
Oh, yes. I love it. Choose the correct pictures that best fits each sentence below. Write the picture number in the diamond.
Okay.
7. I can go to school.
What is the best picture?
3.
Oh.
Three can go 3.
Next.
I cannot walk yet, so I crawl. 1. I can take little steps on my own now. 2. I sleep and play in my crib. 2 and
Which one is the best picture? You just sleep and play in your crib. Sino ang nandoon?
1. I can only make sounds.
What is that? What number? Huh?
1.
Why one? Okay.
I can say few words to others.
Okay.
2. I can talk aloud and others understand me. 3.
Okay.
I start to read. 3. I cry
picture?
3.
Huh? I cry when I want milk. Oh, sino
1.
dyan?
I can eat soft food.
Oh, soft food na yung mait niya. Which picture? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
Okay. Like Ading. Soft food na yung makain ni Ading. Ito, nung baby pa si Ading, di ba? Yung baby pa si Ading.
Nag-iyak siya at crawling.
Opo.
Pag
Ito, like you na ito siya. Yung you are going to school. This one, like Ading na now. O, di ba si Ading nagpano siya? Nag-walk. Nag-eat na siya ng soft food. Ito, nung baby pa si Ading. Okay. Next page.
Okay.
How about this? Okay.
How is so heavy? At why another book? Oh, that's the top student I am holding.
Sige.
Choose from the list.
You just put here.
Mama, I can hear Netflix.
Okay.
Choose from the list the word that matches each given meaning. Write the correct word inside the answer box. Okay. I'm gonna do it now. Huh? It's 27. So tagal. How it could be? To guard or make safe. To guard or make safe. Protect. Protect. Who once sleeps, crib, drink milk, and